Claudia Andrieu, you are the head of legal affairs for the Picasso administration. What advice would you give somebody who is starting to work with an artist's estate?
The advice I will give, to someone who is, handling for the first time an artist's estate, is really, first of all, to go through the works and try to understand what was happening with the works, and think in terms of the future, not only in terms, of the present situation, because the world is changing, and it's very important to have a strong organization that could be adapted very soon and very fast. So really, you have, to take care about the cultural legacy, but you have to take care as well. And it's very important, about the rights, which means that you must have one word in mind: strategy. This is a key issue, for the artist. And you have to think in terms of strategy.
And what do you think is characteristic of a successful artist's estate?
Successful artist estate is somebody or an entity who is able, to protect the legacy, to fight against the pirates, the forgers, to fight the money laundering and the stolen works laundering, and at the same time to promote also the cultural heritage.
And what would be an example of a bad mistake in the running of an artist's estate?
Not be ready to fight in any event, because when you accept this kind of responsibility, I think that you must be ready to face very difficult situation. Okay, and the problem is that the rule is very simple: you fight or you die. An institute, for artist estate is very important, because you have a different kind of situation among the artist estate, and it's very difficult, to find information and to find help. And there must be, a collaboration set up between, all those one who are in the same situation. And the experience of some can help, the new ones, to take charge, of their responsibilities. Just information exchange, advisors. It is very helpful.
And what do you think of the conference up till now?
The conference, was a very good one, with interesting and different, people talking about, what they were facing, in fact. And yesterday there was those people, the family affairs, who were taking charge, after the death of their parents, of the heritage. It was very interesting, because it was very touching. Because I think that many people in the world think that, the children are not very good person. They are only interested in the money, which is not the case. And I am fighting this for a long time. And those people, were very touching, because they were talking about their father, and they were very fond of the work, but they have in heart, the responsibility, of taking care of all of this, of the cultural heritage. They are nice people, and I think that they show a very good image, of the estate. This is very important.